Hello everyone. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. I am so excited to detail about the author, theme, title, tone, style, characters and board related questions from chapter number 3, Deep Water. Starting with the author, William O. Douglas was an American jurist and the Associate Justice of the US Supreme Court. This chapter is an excerpt from his autobiographical book of Men and Mountains. You can use mnemonics DEEP to learn the theme, D for deadly fear, E for early days trauma, again E, eagerness to overcome that fear, and P, perseverance and courage. The title of the story, Deep Water, holds a deeper meaning. Deep is not just for the depth of water, but the deep rooted fear that gripped our author in his childhood days. His tone is serious, it is reflective and inspiring the readers, the people, to face the challenges of life. William's style of writing is autobiographical. He describes all the details and uses narrative nature of writing. The story revolves around the fear that happened because of the incident that took place in the YMCA pool and lasted for a long period of life, but he could overcome it with his patience, willpower, determination, and of course, the instructor. Characters are William Douglas, of course, his father, mother, 18-year-old boy who pushed him, man in the pool who pulled him out, his instructor, Doc Corporon, and Franklin D. Roosevelt. Coming to the keywords and phrases that are used in your story: treacherous, water wings, subdued, pride, aversion, surf, knocked, revived. Read the meaning or you can take the screenshots for the later reference. Aping, to feel at ease, bruiser, specimen, ducked, tossed, summoned, spring. Tinge, suffocating, yell, flailed, choked, rigid, throbbed, dizzy. Strategy, strike out, thrash, stalk, seized, shrieking, paralyzed, pounding. In the midst of, seized, oblivion, curtain of life fell, wobbly, cascades, handicap, canoeing. Ruined, deprived, cable, slack, shed, panic, stroke, vestiges, and miniature, the last words. Welcome the most important slide of this video, which is your board related questions. I have highlighted the year with different color and mentioned both short and long type questions that were asked by CBSE. Mostly they have asked the role of instructor, the incident that occurred at the YMCA pool, and how did William O. Douglas overcome his fear of water bodies. This is the solution of the problem that many of the students come up with. I have mentioned the place along with the type of wishing that he wanted to do. You can use this chart and learn it well. Now these are the places where he visited after the instructor taught him the art of swimming. The blue ones were the places he visited earlier and the pink ones were the places where he went later on. In the last video, I asked you the one word substitution for the fear of water. The answer is here. And the fear of water bodies, thalassophobia. The video comes to an end here. Please, my students, I really love sharing anything that I know with you guys. If you have not subscribed, do it. Please like the video. And yes, how can you forget to activate the bell icon? You need to meet me in the next video. I'll be waiting there. Thank you so much.